Hey guys, so last week Tuesday I received hair from Tinashe Hair. The hair arrived in this package. I think this box is really cute. I was really impressed with the packaging. Very impressed with the packaging. It's also got their social media handles where you can actually find them, so you guys should actually check them out. And then it also came with this bag which I will use to store the hair, and inside the bag there was a pair of lashes, this pink bonnet hat. I was really impressed because they actually packed a lot of stuff in here compared to the stuff that I normally receive when I do hair reviews. And then there's this wig cap. There's 2 wig caps inside here, and this headband. This headband is really cute. I've always wanted something like this, so I'll definitely wear that. And then also included, it's just a card with details on how to take care of the hair, maintenance, and also their Instagram and Facebook handles as well. So this is the hair they actually sent to me. This is a 13x4 lace front wig with curls, and it is a 14-inch. As you can see that it's really short. You guys know I love curls. This is I don't know how many curl weave that I have. When it arrived to me, I had to bleach the knots, which I did that, and also plucked it out because it did not arrive like this. I will insert a clip to show you the before and after and the entire process of customizing this hair. It literally took me about a day. What I like about this hair is that it's got these 4 combs right here to make sure that the wig is in and secured, and also it's got these adjustable bands if ever the wig it's not fitting for you, so you can adjust it yourself to your head size. So yeah, so that's what I'll be doing in this video, so let's get into it. So first of all guys, I do apologize for my cornrows. I know they look a little bit ghetto. So I'm just gonna apply this gel. I'm using this extreme hold gel that I bought a long time ago from Clicks. I bought it when I was in honors actually. I normally use this gel just to hold back my edges, you know, I just want them to lay back so that they don't disturb or distract me while I am installing the hair. And also the last thing you want is to actually put on some got-to-be glue onto your weave, or onto your edges like that. That's just gonna ruin your hairline. So that's why I do the step. I just basically do the step to just hold on, to just put my edges way at the back, so you guys can see that there. I'll use brush, and I just go in with the brush just to secure. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna put on my wig cap. Just make sure that all my edges are covered. There we go. Okay, we'll cut this out as well. Tuck it in. Yeah. So that's what I want. Okay, great. And then I'm actually gonna go in on top, right on top of my wig cap with this Essence compact powder in the color Mocha. This is the compact powder that I use when I contour my face. So I'm just going on in with it just so that my wig cap is not too blonde there at the bottom. So you just go in with that. Some people like to do foundation. I don't like to use foundation because I feel like foundation is a little bit harsh, and it's wet also. I just don't like using foundation basically. So you do that up to your satisfaction, and once you see that okay, you've done enough, you can then start installing your wig. Okay, and then you're going to obviously go in with your weave. Now guys, before I actually put on my Got2b glue, I just want to first make sure that this wig is properly measured. As I told you guys, this is a 13 by 4 inch, so I would obviously have to cut out my ears so that it is fitted onto my ears. So I am going to do that off camera, and I'm going to show you guys the end result. So there we go. I just cut it off, the ears off. Don't panic if you do have like cut the hair. I just cut the ears off, and now I am ready to install. So first of all, I'm just gonna use my Got2b spray. This is what I use to actually lay down my wigs, and I'm just gonna spray right close to my edges. You really have to be quick with this because it does like run down. I remember the first time I used it, it literally ran down my face. So you're just going to spray that there. Just make sure you wipe off any excess because you do not want to have this glue dry while it is a mess. So then you just wait a bit. Some people use a dryer for this, but I honestly do not find it necessary to actually even go in with a dryer. I always just do this and, you know, just pass time by maybe packing up my stuff that I've already used and I won't be using anymore while I actually wait for it to dry. So once your glue has dried out, you just obviously just put your wig on where the glue is. There we go. I always just go in with the glue right on top, just to make sure, you know. Oops, just right wrong way. Okay. And then you'll obviously need like some people use like that elastic that I still need to get for myself to hold it down so that it dries properly, tied right on top of the hair, because that's exactly what I want to stick. I don't want the lace to stick on me, I want the hair to be sticking on me. So yeah, just be extra careful there. So now that we have this on, I will just be styling the hair so long, and what I'll be using first, I'll go in with the water. As you all know, in order to activate curls, oops, I just sprayed myself. To activate curls, you must always first wet them. This is literally water from the tap. You could also put in like mixed water with leave-in conditioner. Some people do that, and I think it's actually really best to do that because it actually prevents it from breaking, because using water all the time on your hair is also not good. Go in with your Curl Lala from Aunt Jackie. This also helps to define the curls, and it gives the weave like that little bit of shine that you need. but I would advise that you don't actually go in with too much of this. Just enjoy a little bit, you know, just so that you put that, you see, like you just go in just a little bit. You don't want your wig to be too shiny. Ne? Everything is all sticky, we can see. I love what's going on here. I'm so proud of this job, honestly. I took my time. So to cut off my lace, I am actually going to do it with this blade, and I'm just gonna do a zigzag format. See there? So this is the step you do after you just finish cutting down your lace. You go in again with your foundation and your powder and the compact powder again. Yeah. And yeah, guys, that's it. Please, if you're interested in purchasing this hair or checking out Tinashe Hair, I will be linking down all the information regarding their store link, and also the link to this hair down in the description box. So if you are interested, please do check out the description box and go to their link. Or you could also check them out on Instagram and check out their page, check out their website, and see what you like and purchase it. I think that's it from me today. Mwah.